Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey. As you know, this Dodge Journey, guys, in the rest of the world is known as Fiat Freemont. What we'll be doing, guys, today, we'll show you how to remove and replace the rear door window switch. Okay, let us show you quick. We're talking about this window switch right here. This is the window switch. We'll show you how to remove and replace that thing. Now there is a trick, guys, and we'll share it with you, and it will take us only about a minute to remove and replace it. We guys have more than 200, we will have more than 200 videos on this car. So please subscribe to the channel. Additional mechanical videos will be made on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. Check it out, guys. Quite a bit of information there, and we do all that so we can save you money. All we need in return, subscribe. Now, all the tools, parts, including the replacement switch, will be listed in the description of the video below. Check it out. We need a plastic panel removal tool, just a simple tool like this one. Now, if you push down, okay, down on the plastic like that, push to get under the switch, okay, you start prying it a little bit. Okay, check it out, this one has quite a bit of coffee spilled. You have two clips on this side and two on the other side. So eventually, guys, if you grab it like that, okay, you can pull it out. Now, those are the clips, 1, 2, 2 on the other side. They're spring-loaded clips. Now this cable, okay, check it out. This thing, press down on it now and disconnect it. This is your switch. Okay, right there. So we'll go grab the new one quick. Okay, we'll share in the description of the video, guys, where to find it as well and all that stuff. And we're going to go ahead and install it. Always inspect your connectors here, not to have like spilled coffee or anything like that. Go ahead and clean it here as well. So all we have to do, connect the new one now. Push in. Okay, push in there, and you have to align everything and just push in until it clicks in place. Perfect. By using the plastic too, we didn't scratch anything. You can see if you use a screwdriver, you'll damage your trim piece. So thank you guys for watching. Please. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.